Nanonood lang ako ng Games of the Future, Malodi. At nagulat ako sa nakita ko. Bakit may at sa land of doon?
Oh my god, what is that?
I don't know how you can take this seriously, my man.
Oh my god! What is that?
Kesa magalit ka sa kalaban mo, matatawa ka na lang talaga.
Like, if only Cyclops was in the meta, brother. If only.
If only, oh my. This is Patrick.
So weird.
Pero ang lupit nito mga Lodi, glue na roamer. Di ba parang RG lang eh.
The teams that likes to do that. Tienzi's gonna be in trouble here, though. He's quite low, and whoa, Kojic getting the first blood. Xeno falls. It's a whole bloodbath in under a minute.
Ayan o, pag hinahabol ka, kaysa matakot ka, matatawa ka pa eh.
Wow. Whoa, what just happened?
Well, I think Versal Time will be happier about that because they took out the jungler before Xeno
Oh my goodness.
died Kojic again. And even though oh man.
Oh, side loot. Trap V1. No, here come on. And they're going to drop back into a Kojic is gone. They at least get one for next.
Do or die game nga pala to sa laban ng Aurora Turkey at Versatime. Kung sino matalo, laglag na. Para naging lucky charm pa nga si Patrick Star dito eh. Paano mo na may kikill yan? Sobrang cute.
On target for Castle. You can't escape this. That's an angry Patrick.
Sobrang lap trip sila na isuot ball. Ang cute naman kasi maglakad. Tignan nyo.
Now the kitties around there sees the recalling out of there. Oh my, what? They need to get out of there. And Versal Time are not trying to cut their losses. No way, dude. No way. There's just no way.
So Aurora Turkey na nga mapupunta tong game 3 at sila napapasok sa semis bukas. Sana si SpongeBob naman yung sunod na lumabas.
Unleashing with the auto attacks, gets the immortality out for Boro, and Aurora Gaming will go further. They'll wipe out Verso Time, they'll win the series, and secure themselves a spot to move forward.
Kayo mga Lodi, nagugulo na roamer ba kayo sa RG? Mukhang sobrang effective eh, no? Tingnan nyo yung easy win ng Aurora Turkey dito.
Patrick Star Glue, Position 5 roaming glue. If that's not the MVP, we will riot for sure.